at 6234 Breeds Hill, and this is a beautiful condominium. You park right in front of the house under covered awning. You walk through the patio area. Nice sized patio, perfect for barbecues. Come on in to the kitchen area first. This is the backyard entrance. Kitchen's been completely updated. Granite countertops, expensive cabinets, and the house does come with the refrigerator and stackable washer and dryer included. A lot of nice storage cabinets that aren't found as common standard equipment in these dwellings, and a large living room area.